Hi, I'm Greg with Screen Content Management. In this video, we will overview how to determine your site readiness for the ResidentConnect service, as well as an overview of what's involved for installation. ResidentConnect is a digital signage product that communicates important information utilizing display screens within your property. ResidentConnect allows you to communicate to your residents conveniently and effectively. To utilize ResidentConnect at your property, you will need internet connectivity for the ResidentConnect media player, a display screen or screens, and an internet-enabled computer device such as a desktop or laptop. ResidentConnect requires at least one television screen, but can be expanded to as many screens as you desire. Minimum resolution of the television screens should be at least 1080p for the best readability, and a screen size of at least 42 inches or larger for distances greater than 12 feet to get the best viewing experience. You can use your own existing televisions, or you can purchase commercial quality displays from Screen Content Management. ResidentConnect can also be configured to work with displays in an elevator for even greater flexibility. Since you are targeting information specifically to your residents, the screen should be in high traffic areas where your tenants frequently traverse, such as lobbies, corridors, and walkways. If you are uncertain where the screen should be located at your property, contact Screen Content Management for assistance to help identify the most effective locations. To update information on ResidentConnect, you will need an internet-enabled computer device, such as a laptop or desktop. And when making those updates, you can be anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection, giving you maximum convenience. Once you make the appropriate update to the easy-to-use spreadsheet, the Screen Content Management servers will connect to the ResidentConnect media player at your site and update your screens. In terms of installing ResidentConnect at your site, just follow the supplied instructions to get up and running quickly. After purchasing ResidentConnect service, you will receive a package from Screen Content Management, which will contain a media player, cables, and instructions. By simply connecting the ResidentConnect media player to the internet and then to your television or AV distribution equipment, you are ready to go. Access your ResidentConnect campaign by clicking on the supplied link and start making updates. To get ResidentConnect at your luxury apartment building, condominium complex, or multifamily facility, contact Screen Content Management today at residentconnect@screencontentmanagement.com or by calling our office at 702-331-2033. Thank you so much for watching.